Tired of having your crypto sitting on an exchange and want to take full control of your assets? If you're a Coinbase user, moving your digital wealth to a self-custody option, like the Coinbase Wallet, is a key step towards true decentralization. This isn't just a simple internal transfer, it's a move onto the blockchain, giving you access to all of Web3, from DeFi to NFTs. And the best part? If you link your accounts, Coinbase has made this process incredibly straightforward. I'm here to walk you through the simple, secure steps to transfer your crypto from your Coinbase exchange account to your self-custody Coinbase wallet. Let's get your funds into your own digital hands. Step 1. Link your accounts. First, make sure your Coinbase exchange account and your Coinbase wallet are connected. Open your Coinbase Wallet mobile app. Tap the Receive option on the home screen. Select Add Crypto with Coinbase Pay or look for an option to connect to Coinbase in your settings. You'll be prompted to sign into your regular Coinbase exchange account and authorize the connection. Click Allow access to successfully link the two. This makes the transfer seamless. Step 2. Initiate the transfer. Once linked, the transfer is fast and easy. Stay in your Coinbase Wallet app. Go back to Receive and select Transfer from Coinbase. You should see this option clearly now that your accounts are connected. Choose the asset you want to move, like Ethereum or USDC, and the specific balance you want to transfer. Enter the amount you wish to send to your wallet. Step 3. Review and confirm. This is the most crucial step. Always double-check. You will be shown a review screen detailing the transaction. Critically, you will see the network fee required for the transfer. Remember, this fee goes to the blockchain miners, not to Coinbase, and it can fluctuate based on network activity. Once you're satisfied with the asset, the amount, and the network fee, tap Confirm or Send now to process the transaction. A quick note on fees. While Coinbase doesn't charge an additional fee for this transfer between their platform and their self-custody wallet, you are still responsible for the blockchain network fee, often called a gas fee for Ethereum. Keep this in mind, especially for smaller transfers. The transaction will now process on the blockchain, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to a little longer depending on network congestion. Once confirmed, your crypto will appear in your Coinbase wallet, now securely under your control. Congratulations! You've successfully taken custody of your crypto and opened the door to the full world of Web3. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.